very exciting because I'm in the Cape and I'm going to the beach and I'm going to have a fun day with my dad, and I'm so excited. Hey everyone! Now, I don't know about you, but I have a little pre-bedtime thing I like to do. And I will show you. So I use this really good Dewy pore cleanser. It is oil-free and it is the best. And I love using it. It makes my face so much better. But here's the thing with it. Okay, I have one piece of face to put up here. So here's the thing with it. You can use it for 20 days straight, that's perfect. But if you go off it for one day, you get pimples. So I can have it. Alright you guys, I want to give you a little info on it. I'm going to start doing it. Hi guys, I just used it. Obviously you can't tell yet, but it's probably starting to make a difference, even though normally it takes like 10 days. But yeah, so I just used my Clean and Clear Daily Pore Cleanser. It's oil free and I suggest everybody goes and buys it. Hey everybody, welcome to the vlog. Today is Saturday, August 4th, 2018, and as you guys know, I am heading to the beach today, and I am so excited. First beach day of August, and I'm so excited, and I will see you guys at the beach. Hey guys, so it started drizzling, so we're not 100% sure yet whether or not we will go to the beach. It's drizzling, but it's literally sunny, so we'll have to decide and see what happens. Some breakfast, a sausage, egg, and cheese from Dunkin' Donuts with my favorite Gatorade with a cool little dolphin straw that I love. And we'll see if I can go to the beach or not. Alright guys, we made it to the beach. Now it is so windy. I'm so thankful I brought a sweatshirt. And I didn't even end up bringing my swimsuit because I knew how windy it is. So I'm just in my shorts, sweatshirt, and just enjoying the beach. It is crazy out with the wind. I don't know why any people are in the water. The waves are humongous. Look at these waves. They look way bigger in person. FYI, they're huge, and I don't understand why so many people are out in the water today with these big waves, especially little kids. They should not be out under any circumstances in these waves. But it is a crazy beach day. Its number one rule is so stupid. No alcohol in beach or in parking area. Are they stupid? Do they know that half the people who come to the beach come to drink alcohol? Like literally every time I come, there's tons of people drinking. That's such a stupid rule. You know me, you know I love swimming in the water as much as I love sailing. So I just really wish it was windy, because if it was windy, I would so be in this water right now. Like, look how crazy and cool these waves look. I love them. Okay guys, as embarrassing as it is, I am literally heading to get some lunch, and yeah, well, I'll tell you guys lunch, guys. A delicious looking cheeseburger. I am so excited to eat it. It looks so good. And I finished walking and I'm back at the beach. Getting pretty rough out there, so I think that's why, because I know back home where I live, because I'm in the Cape right now, but back home where I live, my sister's texting me and it is pouring out, so it might start raining. Buddy, me and my dad successfully made it home from the beach before the rain, and now I'm going into the outdoor shower. I love my outdoor shower. It's one of my favorite things about my Cape house. Now I like to wait a minute just so the water can clean the floor before I step foot in the shower. But I'm so excited. I love my outdoor shower.
are pretty damn smart to leave the beach at the time we did, because right now it is raining. Can you hear the raindrops hitting the umbrella? And I have to check the outdoor shower because I have a small feeling that I left the outdoor shower thing that you connect it to. Okay guys, it was on, but I shut it off, so I don't know, because I think this is something old, but we still have it. Is when you push it down, it's on. When you push it up, off. So down, on, up, off. So good thing we got that settled. I do want to know what you guys are doing this weekend. So as you guys know, you are welcome to DM me on Instagram or Twitter, The Real CJ Sykes with an extra S. Please do. I'd love to hear from you guys. I've been getting a lot lately on Twitter, which is shocking. I get a couple. Hold on, let me shut this. Hold on. I get a couple on Instagram a week, but I've been getting a lot on not Instagram, Twitter, which is shocking. I feel like more people use Instagram than Twitter. So if you'd like to DM me, you can DM me on Instagram or Twitter. Tell me what's up for your weekend. I'd love to see what you guys are up to. If I don't answer, don't get offended. I'm getting a lot on Twitter. And if I do answer and I send like a heart, but then I send like a long thing back to someone else, don't be like, oh, he likes them better. It's not that, it's just I'm so busy that I only have a certain amount of things I can do. So yeah, well, that pretty much wraps up today's vlog. I was supposed to go mini golfing with my dad, but we're not because it's raining. We might go out to dinner later, but right now I'm in the basement of my cave house. And that pretty much wraps it up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to tell your friends about it. Thanks, guys.